Wow. You want to pet him again? No, you don't. We don't have a dog. We have a lot of experience.
Careful, Mike. He might eat your donut.
Thank you.
You're very welcome.
That's all right.
That's it.
Oh, he's beautiful.
Oh, thank
Is that
you.
one of the search and rescue horses there for?
He searches for table scraps.
I'm sure.
Come on, Cash. Wow, that's a huge crane. Oh wow, you can pick up this truck too. Wow.
That's a big. No, that's a great Dane.
What's up, big boy?
Big boss. Japanese big dog.
Mom, just get a big dog like that. Oh, good. Here, Rachel, come on. Hey, guys, let's move on.
Oh, another horse. Is he friendly?
Oh yeah.
I always wanted to see.
Pet that big boy.
Oh my gosh, you're huge. Oh.
Big puppy. How old?
7.
What's his name?
Cash.
Cash?
I like
I
it.
like
Johnny
it.
Cash.
Yeah.
I like it.
Manson, look at his paws. They're ginormous.
Come here, Cash. You go on the bus?
It's a big dog. It's a big dog. Look at that big dog. Say hi.
Come on, Cash. You want to go on the bus? Come on, Cash. Come on. Let's go. There we go.
It's not gonna drive. We can explore it. We can pretend.
Cash.
Where are we gonna go?
On the bus, the wheel.
Whoa, big kitty.
We got a special passenger here. Yeah, sure, absolutely.
Come here. Come here.
He's the biggest dog I've ever seen in my life.
You need to wait. Softy? People are going up there. We gotta wait for them.
Come on, Cash.
You want to wait your turn to sit in the front? Or you just want to hang out
Stay.
Wow, you're going to drive a big old city bus? Right there in the middle.
Right here. Tell him that it's
Come on, Cash. We're going to go out the door here. Come on, let's go. Come on.
No, you can't press it. You can press the horn though.
Yeah.
You didn't dress him up this year?
Now this year I thought I'd give him a little break from it.
All right. Thanks for coming out.
Oh, sure.
Is he friendly?
Oh, absolutely.
He looks like it, buddy.
Will he bite?
No.
Will he try to bite?
He's fine. He's real friendly.
Can we pet him?
Yeah, absolutely.
How many pounds? 67.
Get a picture of the pond. There you go. Sorry. Look at me.
How much does he weigh?
165.
A large Doberman, but I'm like, that is a big dog. Is he a puppy or?
He's 7 years old.
You have to ask. You have to ask.
It's okay.
It's like a horse.
Yeah.
So big. Pet him?
Stay, Cash. Stay right here.
Cash?
He's
Cash?
Cash.
That's a good boy.
When's his birthday?
Don't be scared. He's totally nice.
He's all stacked up like he's at the dog show.
Boss, he's drooling.
Yeah, that's what they do, those big ones.
We'll go to that one next. He drools.
Come here.
Brett, that's a dog.
Oh, buddy, you see the big doggy? Oh. Oh my gosh, it's Cash.
Hey, Cash. Good to see you, buddy.
What's up, doggo? Is he the doggy? Doggy? That's a big doggy. And then also yeah, the mini horse dog. That's so cute.
Big horse. Is that a horse or a dog? That's a big dog.
That's a big dog. The dog? Did you want to go on the motor?
There was no line when we first got here, so this one was scared of me. Ask him first.
Stay.
is she?
It's a Great Dane.
A Great Dane.
He's friendly. See, she's not afraid. You want to hold the leash? There you go. You can hold the leash.
A lot bigger than Sophie.
Okay,
Be careful.
thank you.
You're very welcome. You're very welcome. You want to hold it? There you go.
I swear these are so impressive.
Okay, give the leash back. Give the leash back. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, boys, come.
I just got it.
All right. Where do you want to go, Cash? Huh? You can join the police force? Can you do something useful?
Scare people.
Yeah, there you go. Well, when you tell the suspect, hey, we're going to send the dog in, they're like, oh, no, okay, we give up.
Yeah. Big fella. How old is he?
He's the only one I have.
How old is he?
He's 7.
Okay.
You are one cool looking dog, baby.
You like him?
DJ, look it.
Check it out.
Is it a horse?
Yeah.
Can you ask him? Can you pet the dog?
Absolutely.
Here, come over to the front. Let us help you.
Okay, come over here.
Give him a pet.
Yeah, you can pet him.
And those dogs are like just like
Big dog.
good doggy.
He's taller than you.
It's a good doggy. Oh, you give him a hug? Oh, that's so sweet.
Reminds me to get a sticker.
You're so handsome. That is a big dog.
Yeah, absolutely.
Which one you want to get? This one? What? It's like daddy's motorcycle, huh? Right there.
Nice horse.
Yeah, thanks. He's a mini me for the other horse that's walking around here.
I don't know. It doesn't really open. You push it out, but.
Wow, very cool.
Just look through there. Now you break it, you bought it.
Cool. Big probably like. I wonder how much this
Annabella
goes.
asked if you could have.
Probably about $1 million or more.
Can I pet your dog?
Sure.
Hi, big buddy. Wow, he is cute. Oh, look at this big cute friend. You're a good dog, I can tell.
Yeah, he's super gentle.
Very good. What's his name?
His name is Cash.
I've never pet such a big dog before.
Mommy's friend Maddie is petting. Ask the gentleman, say, may I please?
You want to pet him?
You have to ask him.
You may, and thank you for asking. Stay, Cash. Stay, stay.
Oh my goodness.
Okay, Graham, you pet him now.
Wow.
Molly, just carry that dog.
Sure.
Holy moly!
Okay, come over here now. Thank you.
No, not the tail.
Okay, hold on.
You're very welcome. Yeah.